What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the battery in an Acura key fob. This key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2025, and we're going to need 2 of them. And we're also going to be using a quarter to help us get the fob open. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom. That's done by pressing this button on the front, and then the key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now, if we take a look on the side here, we can see this notch, and that's where we're going to put our quarter. And what you're going to want to do is hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, because these will kind of shift. If you hold them down, it'll help them stay in place a little better. Then what we're going to do is stick the quarter in that notch and just twist it like that. So put it in that notch, twist. As you can see, it popped it open a little bit. Now, just using our fingers, we can kind of work our way around it. And the back will come off like that. Now we can see our batteries right here. Go ahead and pull the old ones out. We'll grab our new batteries, and we want to make sure that we're installing them with the plus side up. And we're going to kind of tuck this bottom edge in first, like that, and then just snap them in place. Then we'll go ahead and snap the back on. And if your buttons, as I pointed out in the beginning, if they shifted at all, make sure you have those back in place properly and everything snapped back together. Once you're at that point, go ahead and slide your key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.